Guess we're all getting older. There's no turning back. It's just a part of life, y'all. You know? Your hair starts to grow out, baby teeth fall out. First day of school, new shoes, going ball out. Tears in your eyes when your mama first walked out. Nap time, snack time, the good times we talk about. Playgrounds, lunchtime, bullies and punchlines. Now we lay down the toys, homework is crunch time. Thinking of the freedom that was once mine. No alarm set, sleeping well past the sunshine. Pain we beholding, last person chosen. I remember being frozen with my heart straight broken. Lost in your feelings, a ball of emotions. Trying to find love while lost in an ocean. Parents asking, what's with the commotion? More responsibility, but yet no promotion. We don't get praise when we close the door behind, but you on our behinds when we leave the door open. I just wanna be young and free. Brush my shoulders like 1, 2, 3. I just wanna be young and free. I wish this world would quit judging me. I just wanna be young and free. Brush my shoulders like 1, 2, 3. I just wanna be young and free. Handle my responsibility.
I ain't trying to be on my phone either. I need my mind too. Why you yelling? I'm scrolling just like you. I understand my screen time, your screen time times 2. Since 2, you've shown me this is what we live life through. Every day is showtime, my life is a snapshot. I'm always taking selfies cause I'm stuck in the backdrop. Walking in your shadow, trying to live up to your expectations. When will I give up? You worried about me, sticking with sobriety. You drinking all that beer is giving me anxiety. Help me with my thoughts and please speak quietly. Then I wouldn't think of putting drugs inside of me. Instead of doubting me, take time to be proud of me. Not what I'm made to be, but what I'm bound to be. Confused as ever with all these traps around me. All this pressure running laps around me. Preachers try to hound me, teachers try to clown me. Feeling like God threw me back after he found me. Cause my life is real like the steel in a foundry. Cause it's hard to be real with all these reels around me. Dreaming is worth a try. I'm just trying to learn to drive. Go and make my own money, don't care if it's serving fries. Go back home and write letters for some scholarships. Cause ain't no way I can pay for these colleges.
Tell you the truth, life is school. Do what you love and forget Mr. Drew. Forget your ego and all those friends too, cause only God knows what you have been through. Forget the bully, no need to be vengeful. Forget the BS, no keeping the bins full. Keep saying those prayers and pick up a pencil. Express to relieve the stress that's in you. Your future looks bright, get ready to dive in. I pulled up to see you show out like drive-in. Watching you grow up is so exciting. Like the season finale, Attack on Titans. When I'm teaching, I'm teaching. When I'm speaking. Right now as I'm rapping, you can say that I'm bleeding. Cause I know one day it's this class you'll be leaving. That's why I say I write this rap here for a reason. To praise you and thank you, cause I'm so grateful. For moments I'm able to witness you break through. I'm glad that you came through, there's nothing you can't do. I know that you'll make do, can't nobody break you. Try to be grateful, we all gotta pay dues. As the clock ticks and we transcend through spatial. The outside is changing, inside it's the same you. The beautiful you, the way God made you. I just wanna be